So when I moved to Somaliland in 2009 to open this school, I didn't come from an education background, I come from a finance background. But basically, I got there, I brought over a bunch of foreign teachers, and we convinced these kids that there was a way for them to have a future where they could be the future leaders of their country. Because they saw that and they put in this incredible effort, they came in as ninth graders, probably to second, third grade education level. And then 4 years later, Nimmo got into Oberlin, and then Mubarak got into MIT, and these kids are going to be graduating this year from those schools, and their goal is to go back and build their country and create jobs and educate the population.
So, Jonathan, I guess the question with projects like this always is, how scalable is it?
It's not Starbucks. You can't decide you're just going to take what we did and make 500 of them across the country. But what you can do, and the reason is because if we can get 40 kids into American colleges every year with full scholarships, these kids are poor, very poor, they have nothing to contribute. That would be a remarkable accomplishment. You cannot get 400 or 4,000. That's just not possible. It doesn't matter how good a job you do. But the concept of what we did, we went and we convinced kids that it's worth it to invest in their future. And that's a concept that's completely scalable anywhere in the world. It's scalable in American schools. Our kids start their day at 7 a.m. and study hall ends at 9:30. And I'm not saying this is some slave-driving place. In between, they're not memorizing things that we're just shoving at them. They do tremendous amounts of community service work. They do sports. They do extracurriculars. They're teaching classes for the kids from the local village. Like, our early students, convincing them was the hard part. Now you get a student who comes to our school, and they know, they may not have met Mubarak, who's graduating from MIT this year, but they know who he is, and they want to be like Mubarak.
The book is It Takes a School. Jonathan Starr, thank you.
Thanks,
you for
Jonathan.
doing that.
Awesome story.